I've been seeing you guys sneaking out during the virus, posting videos and pictures of yourself on Twitter and Instagram with fresh braids, but I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do that anymore. You can simply just get online and order it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony Explains It All, and I just hopped on here today to tell you guys that you need to buy this. Okay, so just a quick review of this wig. It is a knotless, a braided wig. It has HD lace. It's a medium cap, which is almost a little too small. It has like clips and it has a band, so just like a standard wig. And I got it in like the bra strap length, which is really nice. I really like it. I love it. It looks really good. I really didn't do anything to it. I just kind of cut some of the baby hairs. I'll probably go back and cut more. It was a lot, which is a good thing. They put a lot on this wig, so it's a good thing that there's a lot. So I might fix it a little more. But other than that, it has like baby hairs all the way around, so you can fix it how you like it. I really didn't have to do much at all to it. So I ordered the HD invisible lace, and it looks really good. I could do some like powder, you know, your concealer, you do like a lace tint. Definitely could use some of that, of course, because it still is a wig. But honestly, I didn't feel like doing that. You know, right now it really is not a big deal tinting lace to me. Of course, you know, if I leave the house and I'm wearing this and I'm going somewhere and someone is close enough to me to inspect my lace.
First of all, mind your business, and second of all, you're too close to me. Move back 6 feet.
So it isn't super heavy. It's a little heavy. It's not too heavy. It's pretty lightweight, I would say. I will say this, it's a lot of hair. I'm getting hot. I am sweating a bit. I've been sweating since I put it on, but it just looks amazing for me to not have left the house at all to get it done. Looks great. I love it so much. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. I ordered it from a company that I found on Instagram. I'll put the name here. It did ship from, I don't know exactly where, but somewhere in Africa, some country in Africa. I should probably look that up. It did ship from there, so it did kind of take a second, but it really didn't take that long at all. Of course, I added like the $30 fee for it to only take a week, but I think it takes like 1 to 2 weeks for them to be made. So the company was super professional ordering through them. I first placed an order for a different wig, and after I placed the order, they immediately contacted me and was like, the combination I picked is not possible, so would I like something else, or how would I fix it? And then I saw they had just like posted this on their Instagram, so I was like, well, can I just switch the type of wig altogether? And they were like, sure. They charged me the extra for it, and they were working on it, got it done and shipped. I had like the tracking number within the time frame that it said it was going to ship, and then it didn't really take that long to get to me. So it was a great experience ordering from them. I think this is probably one of the best constructed wigs I have seen. I honestly think that Angela Kardashian ordered one herself. Maybe Nicki Minaj. I don't know. I don't want to expose their high-end clientele, but you know, I wouldn't be surprised. I would definitely recommend, like, Nicki, go here. You know, don't attack me, Barbs. I'm helping her. Let me stop. Anyways, that was my very quick review of this very beautiful wig. If you guys know any other great braided wigs, let me know. I've been seeing a lot of tutorials of people doing them themselves, and let me just say, you guys are so talented. Bye.